Okay, what I'm doing now, I'm getting ready. Eat me some sausages. I'm gonna put this in the oven, cook this. Bring it up some. It's out in the snow out here. It's out of snow out here. Watch this snow here. Look at this snow. I'll show y'all something real quick. You be careful walking on this shit. If you fall, kill yourself. Hood Duck, support my channel. Check out Dane Calloway. Dane Calloway. Check him out. He's the truth. Dane Calloway. Check him out. He's the truth. Dane Calloway. See, that's snow. See what I'm saying? It's snow. That's snow. See, ain't nobody playing in the snow out here. In Texas, they playing in the snow. These kids don't play in the snow out here. You don't see them playing no snowballs or nothing. No snowmans or nothing. See what I'm saying? Texas, they playing in the snow. When they was in Louisiana, they playing in the snow. Because they ain't never seen no snow. They see snow all the time out here. It's a difference when you are living in the snow area. Just like this car. Look at the top of that car. The snow on top of that car. Look at that dog. He don't know what to do. Watch him. He's running. Look at him. He's scared. Look at him. He want to fight. Come on. The dog want to use the bathroom. The dog want to use the bathroom. Too cold to use the bathroom on the outside for him. Snow.